Hello, hey, my name is James. Now if you're watching this video, I believe you're looking for ways on how best you can lose weight, how you can get into your best shape of life. Now I want to tell you that you're not going to be disappointed because on this channel I usually post videos on how best you can get into your best shape of life. Actually, you can also click on the link below and go ahead and subscribe so that you will be getting three free videos on how best you can get into your best shape of life. Now I don't want to waste most of your time. I'm going to just share with you just 3 tips on how best you can lose weight. And one of the points is eating proteins. Proteins are very good in a way that they help you to suppress your appetite, and actually they reduce on your cravings. You know, when most people and they're overweight, they usually crave for a lot of things. They want to eat, they want to take some milk, they want to take some butter, they want to take some cheese. Things like this usually really make your body make your body grow fat, and you increase in weight. So for you to decrease on this, to decrease on the cravings, you need to start taking what we call proteins each and every day. And actually proteins, on top of that, they help you build muscle. You know, when you build muscle, you start muscle helps to burn fat. It's good at burning fat. And also the other thing you need to start dealing with, point number 2, is that you need to start to know how to deal with your stress. What most people do when they are stressed, they usually start craving to eat. Yeah? This is how you end up going to, most people when they are stressed up, let's say from work, stuff like that, work, home, you start craving to eat every time. It happens to me. It happens to everyone, because you're stressed up and you start eating. Then also, point number 3, whenever you go to the gym, you need to start to train with the weights. Like I said in point number 1, training muscle helps you to burn fat. You need to start lifting some weights. When you start training with weight, it's going to help you grow muscle. And like I said, muscle helps to burn fat. Okay, and I think if you find this information really important and relevant to you, I want you to go ahead and click on the link below. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 free videos on how you can get into your best shape of life. Okay, so you need to consider subscribing to this channel and also click on the link below so that you can get those 3 videos. That's really important. Thank you so much.